Hey guys, today, let's learn how to fix Gmail, not receiving emails on iPhone. So, in the case, it's your Gmail application on your iPhone devices is not necessarily receiving emails on your iPhone devices. This video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys, step by step, just how to fix this. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so one of the main methods that we can actually do in order for us to solve this issue is to make sure that we have a stable internet connection with our Wi-Fi. I would like you to go ahead and double check your Wi-Fi connection if you do have stable internet connection with your Wi-Fi, and if you are having issues with that, you could also go ahead and try your cell data instead of your Wi-Fi and see which one between the two is gonna work better for you. Now additionally, what we could also do is to make sure that our Gmail applications is up to date. So go ahead and search for the Gmail applications on your app stores, and I want you to make sure that you have the latest version of Gmail. So if you do have an available like this, go ahead and update your applications. Use the latest version so that bugs like this would be fixed, and you were gonna have the best user experience possible. Now, one more quick thing that could also do is to double check the notification settings of your Gmail application. So launch these settings, and I want you to search for notifications, and let's scroll to the Gmail application right here, and especially check if we have the notifications enabled. Now, you may have overlooked this, and you might have your notifications turned off. So if you do, go ahead and turn it on so that you could now go and receive emails on your iPhone. Now, all that's basically for this video guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and take care.